In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app, then go to settings, then privacy, and if we scroll down a bit we can easily find blocked. If we tap on it, it will show us all the contacts we have blocked. From here we can scroll down to see more contacts. Also, by tapping at add new, we can add new contact to blocked list. So actually in this way we can block someone on WhatsApp, and right from here we can also unblock any contact. To do that, just swipe to the left and tap at unblock. Also we can tap at edit, and then we can unblock contacts in that way. Just tap at minus and then unblock. That's how you can easily find blocked contacts on WhatsApp.